Hello, my name is Mark McKenna. I'm from Down to Earth in Swansea, and I'm one of the founders and one of the directors. Down to Earth is based on the Gower Peninsula. We're a social business, been running 14 years now, and we use the outdoors, like spaces that we're in right now, as a vehicle or a medium for delivering healthcare and education. And we do that mainly through working with natural materials. So everything on the site that we're in right now has been built by the groups that come to us. We specialise in working with groups of vulnerable and hard to reach young people and adults. So Down to Earth is a social business because its entire purpose is to tackle social inequality as well as environmental inequalities, and to do that through the outdoors and with vulnerable groups. So the future of Down to Earth is taking the approach to social and affordable housing, so looking at how you can put communities at the centre of building their own social and affordable houses and actually creating the future we want to see through building with natural materials and embedding renewable technologies.